pero hindi ayon sa plano mo. Destroy it, Lord. Change my plans. Change my prayer. Change my prayers, Lord. And the most thing is this, change my heart. Change my heart, Lord, na naaayon sa puso mo, na naaayon sa kalooban mo. I want you to bow down your heads. Panginoon, sa mga oras na ito, ay meron akong pinag-aalala, meron akong worries sa puso ko. Natatakot ako, Lord. Nahihirapan ako. Napapagod ako, Lord. Nawawalan ako ng pag-asa. But today, Lord, remind me not to worry. But today, Lord, remind me, what do I worry about? As I look up to the birds in the skies, they have nothing to eat. But they are well taken care of. Today, Lord, remind me to trust you, Lord, na magtiwalaan ka sa plano mo. Kahit ayaw ko, kahit nahihirapan ako. Today, Lord, teach me to trust. Teach me to believe that your will is better than mine. That your plans are better than mine. The word, do not worry, is written in the scriptures 365 times. Every day of my life, Lord, you remind me, do not worry. And today, Lord, allow me to worship you, to praise you, and trust you. In your mighty name, Jesus, I pray. Everybody say, Amen. So worship our God.